Pepe coin price explosion happening right now, guys. Some Pepe breaking crypto news. We got to be talking about this because, man, Pepe is going straight to the moon right now. Can we see a $1 Pepe? Is that possible? Are we going to be talking about the $1 Pepe coin dream again? We're going to talk about that. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at Pepe. Look at this thing. Look at this candle on the hour time frame. Wow. Look at this. Let's measure this. What are we up from this? Over the past couple hours here, we are up a whopping 85.81% on Pepe. Breaking above very important price levels. The president of the U.S. came out and said you should buy stocks. Bitcoin's testing new all-time highs, maybe. We're up over $100,000, seeing daily candle closures. What happened to sell in May, walk away? Well, we'll talk about that later. But look at this, guys. Bitcoin's at $104,000. Ethereum saw a 20% move, okay? The second largest cryptocurrency in the world, 20% move over the past few days. Incredible. Billions and billions and billions of dollars have gone to Ethereum. And why is that important for Pepe? Well, guys, Pepe is on Ethereum. And when Ethereum makes its big moves, that's when you see altcoins sit into a more favorable position. And that's exactly what we're seeing play out right now. We're seeing Pepe make big, big moves. So, guys, what am I doing right now? I am longing. I'm looking for long positions. I have a six-figure XRP trade right now. I'm up $6,000 in the profit. Look for some Pepe longs as well, guys. I have some spot Pepe, but I do think that there's a good opportunity here to be sniffing out some long positions on Pepe because I think that we are moving into a more risk-on asset, favorable environment. We're coming closer to the Fed pivoting to QE and starting to rate cut, which is basically just creating a better environment for risk-on assets, a.k.a. meme coins, guys, and I'm believing in Pepe. I think that Pepe coin millionaires will be made here. I mean, we've already seen a massive 80% move on Pepe, but, guys, if you do want to take advantage of this volatility, make some money, increase the position size that you're in with less money, so you can 10x up to 100x leverage your Pepe, so you can have 100 times the value of your Pepe if you want. I'm not saying you should do that, but if you want to do that, you can feel free to check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowin. All you have to do is click that link, deposit Trailbit. You get a bunch of free money. There's some awesome, awesome rewards as well. There's a promotion going on right now where based on how much trading volume you trade, you can get some awesome rewards. You can get a Tesla Model 3. It's like $33,000. Pretty cool. So, guys, you can get, not only is it a fantastic tool to increase your position size on Pepe, but you also can get some awesome rewards. So, I want to show you this little post I made here back in April 30th. You can follow me at 333Blacksea on Twitter. I say, the purple lines when Pepe was listed on Robinhood. And I said, Pepe will have its day. Okay, look at this right here, guys, right? Being below, we were trading below the bullish trend line. It was quite bearish at the time. I was thinking, this is pretty rough, but quite a fantastic buying opportunity if you want to hold Pepe for the long term. And guys, well, fast forward to now. Now we're looking at the weekly time frame, and we've wicked way past the bullish trend line in bull market territory. And I've been saying, seeing daily candle closures above the bullish trend line, and especially weekly candle closures, in my opinion, that indicates a good position for long positions. So that's why I'm long XRP right now. I was quite hesitant to long Pepe in the moment because, Pepe is like the epitome of a risk-on asset. It's a meme coin, But I think that we are starting to see some confirmation here that maybe it is an appropriate time to be leveraged long on some of these risk-on assets. And that's why I'm long on XRP. And I'm sniffing out the long for Pepe. And being above the yellow support band, I say, yeah, it potentially could be a good entry level. But guys, we're not only seeing a wick, all right? This is a weekly time frame. We still have 23 hours and 28 days on this weekly time frame. If it closes where we're at right now, we're going to be back in bull market territory, okay? Not only that, we are testing this area here. I've been talking. If you guys have been watching my videos, I've been talking about this level between 4 zeros and 12 and 4 zeros and 14. These two little blue lines. These levels are very important to be in. If we can start chopping around here, guys, I think that we're getting ready for loading up all-time highs. And now, does that mean we're going to go to $1 right away? No, I don't think so. The only way we're going to $1 Pepe is if we burn supply of Pepe. Now, that being said, I am a Pepe coin bull. I know Pepe coin millionaires, and I know people that will become Pepe coin millionaires. Will that be you? Let me know in the comments below. Are you accumulating Pepe? Are you getting ready to become a Pepe coin millionaire? Because I think there's going to be a fantastic opportunity here. I think that this is the beginning of this bullish reversal. You look at Pepe now. Let's just look at this, okay? Let's dissect this a bit. Pepe's sitting at rank 25, up 61.14% in the past 7 days, all right? Up 4.91% in the past 24 hours. Massive, massive moves. Sitting at a $5.54 billion market cap. We've added about $2.5 billion. We've 2x'd in the past week or so. Guys, like this entire market, it's heating up. Look at Bitcoin right now. We are getting we are not far from all-time highs. How far are we from all-time highs? Let's measure this. We are about 5%, probably less than that. That's not all-time highs. Let's get the true number here. We are only 4.95% from all-time highs, and I do expect that it would be very strange if this was just a lower high, all right? We are in a bullish reversal. I think that the bears are going to get wrecked here. I think we're going to come and test 110,000. As long as we don't treat this as a double top and reject down off of it, I expect a little bit of testing before we break out, retest, and resume off and find our way near $120,000 to $150,000 Bitcoin. And if we see that play out, guys, as Pepe is going to see massive moves. I think Pepe could easily, not only is it going to go towards all-time highs. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. Not only would it go to all-time highs, I think that we could see significant gains. Because if Bitcoin's going to $150,000 Bitcoin, you're talking about, let's look at this. You're talking about $500 billion getting added to the market cap, okay? Just in Bitcoin alone. And you think that that liquidity is not going to flow down to Pepe, the number one meme coin? I'm calling Pepe the number one meme. I think it's going to outlast and do better than Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. I still believe in Doge and Shiba, but I think that Pepe is going to become the chosen one of this cycle. I really do. And if 500 billion goes into Bitcoin, then I think that you should expect, all-time highs for Pepe was at about $12 billion market cap. That's still a 2x away from here, right? There's good money to be made here. I think that millionaires will be made with Pepe, guys. It's a very exciting time. Do I think a dollar Pepe is going to happen? No, not right now. Is it possible at some point? Yes, if coins are burned, I think it's possible. But right now, guys, we're back in the fun times. Are we so back? We're so back. Can I say that finally? Or are we not so back yet? Is it all over? No. I think that we're getting ready to see this market heat up. I think you're going to see some altcoins make some massive tears. We've already seen it happen. I think you're going to see Pepe perform really well. Guys, if you like this type of content, please follow me at 333blacksea on Twitter. Hit that like button. Hit that bell. Subscribe to the channel right now. And I really appreciate you stopping by and watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.